Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to look at Microsoft Office Excel, where we are going to insert a chart. Supposing you want to draw a chart, look at a situation where you have been given data like this and you're requested to draw a chart. Supposing you want to draw a chart between items and amount. Now here what we do, we click, what we do first thing is to select data, click here, keep down the click and move select up to where I want the data to stop. Then after you press Ctrl, keep Ctrl pressed, then you select this data. Yes, after selecting that, the two sets of data where we want to insert a chart, then we go to insert. Then what do you want to insert? A chart. There are different charts here. We have recommended charts. We have column chart or bar chart. Then insert line or add area chart. We have a pie chart and many of these other charts. Let's say we want to insert column chart. Click that arrow. Then move down the different charts here, column charts. You keep on hovering across this sub menu, then you can be able to see the different charts. Those are 3D bar charts, 2-dimension bar charts, 3D column charts, and so on and so forth. Supposing we want to insert that 3D clustered column. So you click that, and then when you click that, a new chart has been inserted within your Excel worksheet. Then after chart has been inserted, we get a new tab, which is the chart tools, having a design and format. There are many interesting things here in the design. There is, for example, add chart element. You click that, then you have access. You can see as you hover across this menu, you get that. Or maybe axis titles. It can give you that primary vertical or primary horizontal. Maybe that's not what you want. You can go to chart title, none. Yes, you can select that, or you can say center the overlay, or chart labels. Yes, where you can have data callouts, where you see your diagrams gets even the labels plus the values. You can go to data labels again, vertical, if you want it labeled like that, or no legend keys. There are even more data label options. Then you can go to grid lines, that shows vertical, primary major vertical, primary minor horizontal, primary minor vertical, or more grid lines options. You can go to legend, right, top, left, or bottom. Whatever case you want, whatever situation you want, let's go with that one. Then we have here chart styles. Yes, you can pick a chart style of your choice. Yes. Some styles, they even give you associated values. So it's upon you to choose which style looks good or fits your taste. Think that is good. So those are the designs. Again, we can switch row or column. We can select data. We can change chart type. We can move chart location. Eh? This one, move this chart to another sheet or tab in the workbook. choice is yours. Maybe you can say click that. Yes, you can move it. Maybe you can say new worksheet, and then you call it chart. Then click OK. Yes, you can see the chart has been moved away from sheet 1 to a new worksheet and has been labeled chart. So we are here. Now we have a chart on its own worksheet. Still, it is still having designs. In the design, we can even change chart type. Click change chart type. These are the different chart types. Column, line chart, it will appear like that. A pie chart, and there are different pie charts. There is 3D pie, it will be like that. There is pie of pie, it will be like that. There is bar of pie, and then there is donut pie. But usually a pie is better, according to me. You can change it to bar chart, area chart, XY scatter, stock, surface, radar, trimmer, snap, sunburst, histogram, box whisker, waterfall, combo. But let's change to pie chart. So you click, you have a pie chart, and then you click OK. So you can see our chart has changed into a pie chart. And even still in the pie chart, we have chart styles. So you hover across this menu, then you see different charts. They come as the style. Yes. So that is if you want the labels outside plus the values. Yes, supposing that is the one we have selected. Then what is in format? In format, there is a lot. Within the format, there is, for example, here, chart selections, or for example, I have chart area here. You click chart area, and then the chart area, we can change the shape styles. For example, you come here, shape fill, that is for the chart area. That is the shape fill. Yes. Or you can go down there to texture, then you can change the texture. Okay. Yeah, if you're like me, you like a fish, you select fish for sale. So that is the chart area. Still there is more. Then there is chart title. Still you can come to shape fill. Then you see the chart title, or you go down to texture. Still, oh, that is chart title here. Let's just pick a simple color. That is chart title. Then you can also design plot area. You go to shape fill. Texture usually is good. You can see how it changes down there. See how things change. Yes, maybe let's take that. That is plot area. You can do a lot, series amount, and then series amount data labels. So that is it. Shape outline. Yes, let me take a red. You can see the outline here. It has become red. So that is what we do after drawing the chart. Then we can do as much designs as we wish. Then we can name this, we can change this tab. Go to tab color, maybe give it some color, let's say red. Also get to this one, right click, we can rename this tab, maybe we call it vector. Click outside, then right click on the tab again. That was renaming. We can delete, we can insert another tab, we can move copy, We can come to tab color still. We can give it a color. Yeah. So that is that as far as Excel charting is concerned. So basically, it is all about selecting the data that you want to use in drawing the chart. Of course, if you are selecting and they are near each other, you can just select at once like this. But if they are not near each other, you select the first data item, then you press Ctrl, then you click, keep down the click and move. Or if you want this one, if you want all of the three, yes, you don't release the control until when you have selected what you want to select. Okay, then after you can go and insert a chart. That is it. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, subscribe, and after subscribing hit the bell, then select all so that you always get notification whenever I add some content. Comment and share with friends, and this helps my channel to grow. Thank you very much. We'll meet again for yet another edition of Excel. Thank you. Have a nice time. God bless.